Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Beetle body. Jack the car securely and support it on stands before you crawl underneath. Begin by disconnecting the battery and draining any fluids that might leak during work. Remove trim and interior panels to access body bolts and wiring. Keep fasteners organized in labeled containers and photograph each step to make reassembly straightforward and stress-free for anyone following along. Begin by disconnecting the battery and isolating electrical systems to avoid shocks or damage. Next, unclip wiring harnesses, tail lights, and heater hoses while labeling each connection for reassembly. Safely drain fuel and cap lines to stop spills and vapors, and relieve brake system pressure before disconnecting lines. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby, and work with a partner when separating heavy components to ensure safety and control during this critical phase. With the car supported, remove body mount bolts methodically and keep each bolt paired with its bracket. Use a transmission jack or hoist and have at least one helper to control the lift and prevent damage. Clear the area of tools and check for hidden wiring or hoses that might still be attached. Slowly separate the body from the chassis and set the body down on padded stands, then inspect mounts and components for wear or needed repairs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.